Hey there, Heidi Cooper here, functional medicine practitioner, licensed esthetician from Skin Side Out. Today I want to talk to you guys about facial massage. Massage in general is so super important because it helps with our lymphatic system. And our lymphatic system is one of our organs of elimination, one of the ways that the body gets rid of toxins. Now, a facial massage can be critical for many different reasons. We can have skin conditions that benefit greatly from different skin challenges like say acne, eczema, psoriasis, that benefit from the facial massage. But even from an anti-aging perspective, the muscle and skin are very closely attached, and so it's like exercise for the face basically. And so if we're not doing something like that, we're not working those muscles in the face other than the facial expressions we make. So there's a couple of reasons why that facial massage component can be so critical. So of course, I'm always going to recommend working with somebody professionally and working with an esthetician on a regular basis to do a more thorough facial massage that really works the lymphatic system. However, when you're at home, and something that you can do more regularly is just doing some facial massage on your own. So I always recommend to my clients, when you're working your products, maybe your creams and serums into the skin, just simply working with circular motions throughout the face. Nothing too complicated to work some of those products in, and then in and up around the eye area. So work through a few times to work your products in that circular motion, and then in and up around the eye area. And then you can work your way down where you actually work. We have our lymph glands right here and some major lymph nodes right here. So if we work that a little bit as well and just work in those circular motions, we can help the body facilitate the removal of some of those toxins. Now, what you can also see is if you have a lot of puffiness in the face, you can really shift a lot of that fluid with working with that massage as well. So just a real simple tip, and something that you can do just to take a few minutes to work your products into the skin and make sure that they're clean products that aren't toxic products that you're working into the skin. But that can be hugely helpful to facilitate the lymphatic system and to really help with basically giving the face some facial exercise there with working the muscle as well. So I hope that was some helpful information for you, just something simple that you can do in between your regular scheduled facial appointments with your esthetician, where they will do a little bit more of an in-depth massage to really work that lymph. So health and happiness. Have a super fantastic day. If this information was helpful for you, please like and share this post. Thanks so much.